Well, there's a whole spectrum of companies who would like to implement Business Central. They've decided that it's a good fit for them, and then they want to know how they're going to go about implementing. Some of them need a full kind of a concierge experience where they have consultants who are consulting every step of the way, making strong recommendations, and actually doing a lot of the heavy lifting, importing their data, um, doing all the system settings, taking on a really strong kind of a consulting position. But at the opposite end of the spectrum, you might have a smaller company. Perhaps the staff has had experience implementing an ERP system prior and doesn't really feel that they need a lot of help, but because they're not familiar with Business Central, they could use some guidance. They just want to make sure that they're implementing everything in the right order, that if they have questions along the way, that they have someone who they can ask, that they have some sort of a forum that they can go to at any time to record their issues, to get feedback. And the program that we've put together actually takes it a step further. We've put together what we call our Sherpa program, and it is a kind of a classroom type scenario where we have a semester. I believe it's a 3-month program, or it's intended. We'll be teaching a series of workshops over 3 months. We will have multiple customers attending those workshops. We'll also record the workshops in case you can't make the timing of one, but they'll be offered at a very specific time on specific days of the week. You can be walked through the process in the same exact order that we would be implementing it if we were giving you the full concierge experience. It's the same workshops that we give to our customers who are doing the full implementation services. It's just done a little more scaled back. We're not going to give all of the, for example, manufacturing, field services, a few of them less used or much deeper modules that might be hard to teach in a classroom scenario are not offered. But for the core accounting, general ledger, sales, shipping, accounts receivable, cash posting, purchasing, receiving, accounts payable, all of those things are offered in the core classes. And we will be offering it through using Microsoft Teams, holding the classes, providing written materials for the classes, recording them and posting the recordings out on Teams, and having a chat group where you can talk directly to your consultants, or you can message back and forth between the other attendees in the same semester. Additionally, the program offers office hours. Those are offered in two-hour group sessions every week. So you'll have 4 hours a week where you can get together with a team outside of a workshop and just talk through your specific issues. You'll also get 4 one-on-one 90-minute individual sessions. And after we've gotten through the 3 months of courses, you've used up your office hours and your individual session time, it also includes a support package that will take you through the rest of the year. So it's a 1-year package. And the package price includes all of the implementation services I just described, as well as your Business Central licenses. So if you're interested in getting involved in this program, there's a lot of different ways to get involved, a lot of different ways to approach us. First of all, along with this video, there should be a link that you can click on. You can go to our website, www.JourneyTEAM.com, and there should be phone numbers and email addresses at which you can reach us. Additionally, if you already have a JourneyTEAM contact, perhaps your account manager, you can give them a call or an email, and they'd be happy to call you back.